So, oh wait, yeah, baby. So today I'm gonna play Blocky 3D. How did that happen with the screen village? Oh yeah, this is the village. The thing is, I got some Warburgers because I don't know why will I take it. So, but the thing is, today in this video, so we're gonna make a new. I still got a spawn egg. Oh yeah, I have a spawn egg. If I had a spawn egg, if I didn't have a spawn egg, I would have it bad. It was bad. I do fly mode. One. Slower than the voice. Up. I couldn't fly, so I don't need to fly mode now. I don't need to fly mode even. This is 300. I didn't say I have white countries, but why do I have white country? I don't need it. I cleared this little space so that I can take some damage. So I'm going to switch it to 1. And I'm just going to fly out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, let me remove these spots. Okay. Yep. Okay, so I'm just gonna this space. Wait. This is really spot. Let's do it. No, where are you? Okay, so this spot will be good. Okay, so why do they have the tree and leaves for something? I'm gonna use these white parts. So I'm gonna make like a 2x2 structure. So I'm gonna make 2 blocks. I'm gonna break beautiful staring. Wait, what? Oh, wait. How is it just steering? It's just going so crazy. So crazy. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is done. This is the vertical base. Now I'm gonna do. I'm just black like these words. Wait, these are something for something. I'll just tell you later. I'm putting it on all the 4 bars. With the one block. Outside. Okay, so that's done. The last one. Okay, now we need to just spread these things out evenly. I'm not good at this. I mean, I love this thing. The thing is, I can't get those spots. This is okay, I guess this is good. Okay. The giraffe is just staring at me. No ways. To get these. I just. Come on, giraffe. Come here. Oh yeah, baby. I only need to. Okay, don't need to just. Oh wait. Okay, let's push these. Push this. I have a lot. Push this thing. Follow me. It's coming. It's coming. It's just. I'm staring at it. It's just. Oh wait. Go away. Hey, get away. Get away. Hey, just go. Come. Just push it. Just push it. Push this outside. Oh, it's still going there. What the? Oh, well, I'm just gonna cover these things. I don't need them. Right, I'll just ignore this giraffe. Wait, what? Wait, the highway? I don't have a problem. Wait, now I have this thing. Is like. Oh wait, so I'm just gonna do like a 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go like 5. I'm just gonna spread out evenly. I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's spend it lightly. Now this is spending in the middle. So I'm gonna put this giraffe out of the way. Bye giraffe. You need to go. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna write this. Right. Is this a what the? Can I breathe fire? Can I breathe fire? No, you can't. Can't breathe fire. Just gauge this. Stop. Stop it. Take this out, baby. This out. This giraffe. Can I take out this giraffe out from the stain? Am I cool? This giraffe. This ruining. Oh yes. Wait. What? Oh. Am I just sitting inside? Am I sitting inside the? Am I sitting inside the road, giraffe? Yes, this is what I wanted. Okay, so this is 3 even parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is connecting. Oh no. Just go down, go in, and then this is just the last one. The last one. Okay, so no. Oh yes. Okay, let's just send the far end. Oh yeah, baby. This is 1 layer. I guess we should have 2 layers, right? Bye, but oh wait. Okay. No, what? I'm making a house. Wait, is this like a 2x2 Rubik's Cube house? Okay, don't judge me, guys. Here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can tell you something. If I show you something, if I can show you something, wait for a second. I'm just going down. Now, when I get wait, what? Okay, so I'll just close this thing. Here we go. So what I was saying, so you can see, about what guys gonna do right there, and you can see this is like white cord. It's turned into white cord, right? No. Oh, sorry. Doing there. I'm gonna just put some water in here so that the water dries. It dries. And oh yes. See it's going. Wait, is that obsidian or what? They turned into obsidian. What the? That's like a 3D Rubik's Cube. Come here. Okay, so that's it. So I'm gonna do it wrong. No water balls. I'm sorry. This is so easy. Okay, so here we go. This is one. And put the two, 3. So this is the one. Okay, this is the last one. Oh no. Wait up. So, this is the regular. This is now the base. This is now the base, right? This is the second base. So I want this to be the second base. So I'm just take out the borders. So then the borders with some that thing. I'm just gonna take them in and close them. The new block. Okay, wait. The giraffe is this? Okay, wait. What? Oh yeah, fly. I'm in fly mode. So if I can do, here we go. Yo, baby. Wait, is there something wrong? Yeah, because I forgot to put the stands. I forget that. I have last time. I guess for the decision I want to say. And then see. Now wait. Like coal. They're like cobblestone. Wait. Oh, that's connected. That's the top one. That looks like a. Oh wait. What are the two sides? Okay. Wait. I should remove that giraffe last time. This giraffe did this. This is so annoying. This giraffe is so annoying. Okay. If I can take out this giraffe. Take out the giraffe. Just take it out. Okay, I'm just going down. No, sorry. I didn't mean to just do that. Down. Go to the giraffe. Push this two words. Hey. Come back, you giraffe. Come back, you. Here. You shouldn't be. No. I shouldn't let the giraffe. Yeah. Now I have obsidian. If this was real obsidian, I would have appreciated that. Okay, this one is the second layer. I'm talking this one. This one is the second layer. This one is the second layer. So this is the second layer. And connect that thing. Okay, that's done. Okay, that's done. 1, 2. I don't see it. Okay, if you can see, it's showing love for it. There you go. This is the done. This is a real mass tower. Is it a 2x2 even? Okay, I guess it's not a 2x2 cube because okay, as you can see. Yes. That is done. So this is the boundary. This is really 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's okay. Even this is 2 by 2, I need to raise thing. So I can't raise the 2 by 3 like I should have just crazy. That's not it. This time. I'm
शाने खाली 100 ही डाला हूं मैं तू 2 दिन वड़ा पाव नहीं खाएगा तू भी डाल सकता
What? Wait, what? What was the thing? I have a plan. That's it's red. Yeah, I'm gonna use orange. It's gonna be yellow. I need yellow concrete. Where's yellow? It's gonna be green. Be blue. Yeah. This is looking good. So if I can tell, the left, this side should be blue. Okay. I'm just gonna start all these things before I start them. I should look in some. Okay, wait on. I'm looking at this. Okay, this is a good size, but okay, this one is a good size, so I don't need. Okay, let's switch to. I'm just gonna stop the fly mode. Just wrap anywhere what I want. This looks magnificent. The 2 blue walls. Now what I'm gonna do, I don't need dirt. Now I remember if I can say, wait, I need to switch. This is blue, right? Oh wait, I forgot this other side. No, what? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? I need to keep all this 1, 2. Wait. I just made it on my own. Oh wait. What I'm gonna do, I'm just take this thing to. I actually love TNT, but the thing is, I don't like TNT because they explode the place. Wait, what about the top one? The stained glasses. I'll just let these things get a blue normally. This should be the base. Thing is, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just stop the mode. I'm just remove these. When I'm done.
क्रिप्टो बोले पूरा सेट है बिटकॉइन लेने का तो कॉइन स्विच छोड़ना भाई ये बिटकॉइन अपने
Wait, what? Why is this working? Close this thing. I couldn't use this changes to blue stained glasses after this thing, and the next I remember that this side should be red. And say this is red. This is red. I knew it. This is red. Red on the red. Red. It's getting nighttime. What should I make the base? I should have made the base faster. I should, but okay. I need to change these things faster. Red stained glasses. These look magnificent. These look magnificent. take green right here. Fast. I need to think. Faster. Okay. Okay. Wait. I didn't know that zombies were going to come, but I know zombies are going to come this time. I know that. So I'm just gonna build for long while until the night. This is the night. This is going to be freezing glasses. Now this is time for the orange stained glass. I'm gonna just build it faster than ever. I'm gonna clean the dose later. Okay, now I'm gonna change this to. Wait, there's no. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. I should have changed them. Here we go. This is done. Now I'm still change the green to red. There's only yellow color. Look at the top. I'm gonna use yellow color for the final touch. Final for the white. The yellow should be. As I know, yellow should be. Okay, so this new yellow, right? Wait. And you don't need to worry about the ceiling because this is done. This is the last one. It's the last one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. No, not there. That thing. Just stay with me, okay, guys? It's not ending. Still. It's not still ending. Ha. Okay. Wait. Where am I going? I must go into this way. Yes. So now what I'm gonna do. This looks like camouflage in the. It's now. I'm gonna just take out this thing. This.
क्रिप्टो बोले पूरा सेट है बिटकॉइन लेने का तो कॉइन स्विच छोड़ना भाई ये बिटकॉइन अपने को
This is bright and I'll need this. Okay, I'm just take I'm gonna just wait. The yellow stained glasses right there. Yellow stained glasses. I shouldn't use it. Okay, wait. Why shouldn't I wait? This is the yellow stained the glossiest in the down for. Oh yeah, this looks so cool in the glass. So look, we're just gonna just relax in the yellow stained glasses. For more. Oh yeah, baby. I'm not. That's a good thing I'm in survival. I'm not in survival mode, or I didn't have these glasses. I'm flying mode, so I can fly. I don't know where to fly skill. The flyers. As you know, that's where I don't know why for people say for very cool. Easy or peasy. So okay, I'm just gonna do. These are gonna done. Now I'm gonna use the blue stained glass on that side because I can see the blue. The blue stained glasses works really sweet. Okay, these looks really sweet. See, watch it. Look at it. Look at this. It's just so like sunglass. Look at the giraffe. Look at the giraffe. Okay, wait. This is a red 1, 3, 4, 5. I must to see these. Okay, I need us to see. Okay, down there. Okay. Okay, why is it not working? Okay, I'm just gonna go back. Oh, now it's working. Oh, wait. I can't touch the ceiling. Please, thank you. So now the blue stained glasses are done. I guess the green stained glasses work on the other side. Yes, I knew it. Must be it. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Why am I just spacing on the top side? Wait, I should know this would work. I knew it. Wait, this is one done. Okay. That's good. I don't need to panic about the Fine, just to come out. Okay, this is green. That's a red. Guess I can't understand which. Oh, that's orange. Sorry, this is red, right? So I'm gonna take the red right here. Red. Okay, this is done. I'm just gonna. Okay. Oh yeah, baby. This is the next one. Wasted. Okay, this is the last final one. Okay, that's done. This giraffe is just so annoying. Why did this giraffe? I'll just teach them the lesson. Not today. Not today, but no day. I'm just gonna keep this thing because I know this giraffe is very precious to you. As you can know, you all know giraffes are always important sometimes. And here we go. We have like a house. Wait, I forgot about this thing. Wait. Okay, here. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, if I just did a opening and put this our X, I should have some kind of thing which will help us just get in. This is top level, right? And I play this game also. Showed you just. Wait, what about I put these glasses? There's the yellow. Wait. This, okay, I'm gonna use the blue one. Blue stained glass, green stained glass, orange stained glass, and then this one is gonna be red stained glass. I really look like planes. Wait, these look like glasses. Oh my gosh, crazy! Green, green, green. Green, 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 green. I love green even. This is daytime, yay! I love daytime because zombies run this time. Wait, the thing is, I can't put this wall. Okay, here we go. Here we go, done. Yes, this is the last. 3 doors. I'm gonna put it right here, a door. Wait, if I have a door, door, and door, right, this one is gonna be good. Okay, this looks timing. Wait, they turned into 10. What? Wait, does that mean if I put the green stained glasses right there? No, I can put the green stained glasses right there. And just make wait. Just wait. But I put these things. I'll just do something. I'll put these like 4x4 this thing. Just yellow. This is green, right? Okay, that's. Oh yeah, there is a red here. And shift to green. So this is on shift. This is blue. I can't forget. I forget this. I can't take these things. Pull these things out. These things out for myself. What will I use for the thing? Wait, there's the yellow stained glasses I forgot. Yellow stained glasses look good. The yellow stained glasses is a little crazy. You can see. I just added so. Mommy! I was joking. Okay, that's okay. The last door, this is done. Just gonna keep this. Look at this. Like this. Keep there. Keep there. This is done. There it is. There. So here we go. This is the 2 doors. Let's see if I can fit. No, I can't. I haven't stopped. Now I can put in this room. Okay, so that means I fit this thing. What's the other? Yes, this is the time. Haha. It's time for us to make the door. It's time for us to make the doors. Wait, not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. I need these. So now, okay, so what I'm gonna do, put some doors right here, so this, right here, right here, right here, right there. Stand, so what, 1, 2, and that there, not there. Right, not right there. Okay, that's okay. You can enter to all rooms. So now I can make these the rooms. Close these all doors. Okay, these 3, 4. So we will wait. That door. Close the doors. this is done, so we will end this guys here. So bye.